guys, here we are again, and today we are going to extract or install all the installable files from that we have downloaded in our previous tutorials of Cloudera distribution root system. And today we are going to just install it on our all three VMs. That from part 3 we have just configured our all of 3 VMs in a running state. So in this tutorial I have what the files I have suggested to you in my last tutorials to be downloaded. I hope so that you guys have already downloaded those files. So now we are going to install it in our all of the 3 VMs. So let me just tell you that Cloudera requires 3 agent nodes. Okay, so that's why we have created 3 VMs, and I am making VM1 as a master one, and also we run agent on the VM3 node too. Okay, so now let's get started. I think so that you have downloaded all of these files with from these links, and also do this with so these are the basic commands that we are going to run on our each VMs. So for that now what we are going to do, that we are going to just start it with all the I have already logged in our VMs, VM2, VM1, 02 and 03 VM. Okay, 03 VM is running the MySQL. Okay, now just let's start it. Okay, I have already uploaded the downloadable packages in my download file of in my download directory of this VM01. Now I'm going to SCP these to all of the other machines. Okay, so just let's start. So let's see, now we are I'm going to change the right of MySQL-jar and SCP all of these 5 files to the 2 other machines. Okay, to change the rights of this, just type this command. It's already changed. It's not changed. Now I'm going to SCP these all files to my other VMs. This command is like SCP IP address. Sorry, it's 168.1.1.5. So yes, it requires password. See guys, all the files have been SCP to my other VMs. So let's see, cross check it. Here we are, we got the file on VM2, and sorry, and we also got the file in VM03. Okay, now go to again VM01, and here we need to run first extract these files on all of the VMs. Just follow the extraction part on all VMs first. Okay, so VM1 is done, and copy and follow this step in VM2 and VM03 machine. So now let's see that all of the VMs have the same file there, and yeah, VM2 is have same files, and VM3 also have the same files. Now I need to create add a user of SCM on all of 3 VMs. I think that I have already done. The SCM is already there. Yeah, the SCM user is already exist in my VMs. So you guys need to just cross check it. If it doesn't in your system, then do create it, and by running this command, it will give you the output that the user is already exist. Okay, so just cross verify it. Sorry, just copy the wrong command here. See, it's already there. Now we need to create a passwordless login from VM01 to VM0, from 01 to VM02 and 03. For that we just need to add a keygen here, SSH keygen. Just press enter, here we are, and just replace the agent hostname with your specifically the hostname we are using, CDH VM02. You need to run this command only on primary node. Okay, the node you are making the primary one, and in this tutorial I am making CDH VM01 as a primary node. So by doing this, it doesn't require any password when you are using any type of SSH from VM01 to 02 and 03. It doesn't require password there. Okay, so let's check is it working fine or not. Just do SSH root at 192.168.191.135. See, I am in VM02 from VM01. It doesn't require me password to enter a password there. Okay, now I am again in 01. So all of the extraction part of this is done. Now what we have to do, we have to create a SCM user and grant it privileges from this one. Okay, because the primary node used to create the SCM table. Okay, the primary node is like a Cloudera manager. You require SCM database there. So just create it in CDH03 mysql-root, logging into your MySQL. Okay, and just create this. Let's see that is it here. Host from mysql.user. See, SCM user is here. Okay, now try to log in it from CDH01. CDH01 mysql-h 192.168.1.36-u. See, the user is working fine. Okay, the user is working fine. Now I need to create a schema of SCM table there. For this we need to use this command. Okay, because this command will create a SCM database and a SCM user in our MySQL database. Okay, so first you need to like 192.168.191.136. Make sure that you have to log in with the root user. This will give the root, and this is the database it's going to create, and this is the user one. Okay, given the right. So just run this command. So first it requires the password for root of your root user, and now it's required password for SCM user. Okay, so now see that if you have done everything correct, then this will goes fine, and it says all done, your SCM database is configured successfully. Now just log in the MySQL again, and let's see that is it the table is created or not. The purpose of this table, that the SCM, the cloud manager used to store it's our agent when we run the the Cloudera, it used to like remember the things that we have configured, so it will dump those things in this database. Okay, show databases. See, so SCM is here, use SCM and type show tables. It's empty because we haven't run the Cloudera manager yet. When we are going to run the Cloudera manager yet, it's create their own tables there. Okay, so it's fine. Now the last thing we need to like configure the whole system is that now we need to tell our agent nodes that who's your primary node. Okay, for that thing we just need to add this in the primary host name, the primary node host name in the config ini file. For do this, you just need to type this one, and now just replace the, so you guys just need to replace the primary host thing here and enter and make it like the host name of your primary node, CDH PM. So why I'm going to add the CDH01 entry in my primary node, because I need to run an agent on primary one also. Okay, so just to do it here, and you can just verify it by using opt just do a grep on server underscore host. See, it's here. Okay, so just type copy this and paste it in all of your VMs. Here we go, and you can just verify it by running this command on every VM. See, it's done now. Okay, so today it's enough. So from next tutorial in part 5, I'm going to show you that we will start the Cloudera manager. Okay, and configure the Cloudera manager from admin UI and so on. Okay, so if you like my videos and if it seems like it's helpful to you, so just do subscribe my channel and like my videos, because your subscription and your likes is my motivation. Okay, thank you so much guys. We'll see you in next video. Thanks a lot.